On Lulu Island, you can be as connected or disconnected as your lifestyle dictates. On one hand, you will be within easy reach of the city. On the other, you can live a life that feels more like it is 1,000,000 miles away. Nevertheless, the actual physical connectivity, the means by which people will move to and from the island, will be impressive and efficient. 2 bridges, 3 tunnels and water taxi services will connect Lulu to mainland Abu Dhabi. Convenient public transport including bus networks and tram services will provide transport across the island, with stops located every 200 to 300 meters. A network of pedestrian and bicycle paths will promote pedestrian-friendly environments that encourage walking and cycling and promote exercise and healthy living.